X, Roberto, and Muhammad, your top winners will play. Let's open now. Make a decision, please. Let's close. Good luck, players. Hello, Larva. How is my name pronounced? Ivars. But usually, when you address me by name, you lose the S in the end. So that's Ivar. Crazy time has arrived. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Crazy Time World. Incredible, isn't it? Is that Dr. Doom's castle? Alright, decision time is yours. Which flapper will you choose on this wheel? The green one, the yellow one, or the blue one? Right in the middle. You have some time left to decide. And decision time is closed. Maximum multiplier is 100x. Good luck, players. Oh, we get that double on the blue flapper. 15x on yellow, 10x on green. Now let's improve the stakes a little bit higher, huh? Maximum multiplier is now 200x. Good luck, players. Another double? Not bad. Not bad at all. So, remember previously I said 200x multiplier was the maximum one? Not anymore. 400x. Let's go, players. Yes, Wessel, let's see if I can outdo my previous record of 1,920. This could be the one. Let's go. Another double. How many doubles have been there? 4? I already lost count. Now, the maximum multiplier is 800x. Good luck, players. I'm so excited. Hello, Blue. Blue, you're my boy. All right, 400x multiplier it is. Alexa, Win, Leandro, Hanif, and Bricon, you capitalize on the blue flapper. Well played. See you back in the real world.
Let's continue. But you know, like for all the newcomers, guys, in this session we didn't spend a lot of time, only 10 minutes. But do you know what gave us 100? Number 5. DSD, Quain. You think the Quain flip will be next bonus round? Well, let's see, maybe. Good luck. 5x and a cash hunt. But I hope that it will be cash hunt, guys. And imagine if initially highest multiplier will be 500x and we're gonna get it with a 5x. Wait a minute, the dreams comes true. Let's go, that's a cash hunt. Yay! Someone yells already in the chat because we got it. So, that's a cash hunt, ladies and gentlemen, with a 5x. Let's see, what do we have here? The 100x is the highest one, but wait a minute. 5x, applying. And now the 500x is the highest one, but it doesn't matter because we have a bunch of many, like everything on the wall. Ladies and gentlemen, let's cover them up. I'm really curious how many people will manage to find the 500x, guys, but I believe in you. You're gonna get it. What we gonna do? Yeah, the crud stuff. Well, go ahead, guys, and shoot it. And I gotta follow my strategy. Previously, something gave me 20x. Now it might be much better. I hope at least with 100x, guys. Okay, the last one, right? So that's this bunny gonna die. Excuse me. If we have some green face people. It's a fake one. I mean, it's not real. Yeah, we're not killing it. Okay, let's open up. Come on. We want to see what... I'm telling you guys, I got a 500x. This bunny. 25x. Okay, I will take that. 500x was here. Enjoy betting time. And one already says, that's it. You disappointed in the top slots. No, never. Wait a minute, we already got a 5 and a 5x before. This happened recently. In the previous session, we got a 5x and a cash hunt. And a 20x and a 5. Nah, that's pretty useful sometimes. You're like, 7x and a cash hunt. And Bob, you're thinking that an opportunity gonna come. Whoa, wait a minute. Maybe. But I wish it was a cash hunt. Oh yeah, here we go. Ready or not, ladies and gentlemen, the Fortuna. And a cash hunt. Oof. See? Yep, whoop. You know what I'm talking about. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the cash hunt. We're gonna spend some time behind the wheel, and you know what? The 100x is the highest one, but wait a minute. That's a 700x right now. It's the highest possible win, but we have a lot of gorgeous multis. It's time to cover them up. And I guess, good luck, guys. I really hope that I will see a lot of people who will get this 700x. But we have a bunch of, like, whatever one there, and you will not leave this place without a break with trade. Good luck! And Alpha, yes! The last one. The yellowish one. Well, I really hope that... Well, imagine we're gonna find a 700x. I gotta play together with you guys. I will do so. And I know where is the 700x hidden. And that's last duck, please! 140x, good either. We have a 35.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.